Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say, what can I see in this picture? I have observed a lot of things, such as two examples of input, process, and output. For example, input, process, and output is two different type of. On the one hand, materials and product. Product is the input side, and material is the output side. On the other hand, data and information. Data is the inputs out, and information is the outside. So we in conclude, and my opinion, this picture is so beautiful.